accidentally stopped recording. So this is the one that's on the curb right now. That'll be last time seeing. I have the control panel that goes to it. It's Emerson quite cool also. It's a 10,000 BTU EQK. It works. The compressor is completely shot. It's got a sun compressor, probably a Rotor X in it. I can't show the compressor because I don't feel like it. Here's the data sheet. It's a 10,000 Emerson quite cool. And there's one I can't believe I actually saved the one that currently works. Is that dirt bike? But the compressor sounds amazing, and it gets cold already. It gets down to business really quick. I think it's got, I don't know what compressor it's got. Probably a Tecumseh AJ has my name. I'm guessing it's an AJ compressor, but I no longer can't see it. We'll start these up too. Well, I'm gonna have to move them over a little bit, but we'll start up the Emerson quite cool for only a minute. See if I can put the cover back on it. This unit's got to be cleaned, but it's gonna be probably pain in the ass for me to clean. Actually, here's the thermostat. That's quiet. It's a quiet fan motor too. Oh god, that's metal. That's a metal one. Let's see if I can put the front cover on by fixing these louvers. This louver's broken, so I gotta fix them. Well, yeah, this one. Oh my god, dude. Oh wait, this is a door? I did not know that. Slide out washable silk. Oh, that's why. That's probably why. I thought there was a door on here. It would be cool if there was actually a door. Can't start it. I'm gonna start it up until I put the cover on. So hold on, let me I have never heard a compressor I have ever heard before in person. Ever. And it's my first time having a compressor. So let me unplug the air conditioner. I thought it was gonna have a rotary in it, but surprisingly not. It's gonna be a good compressor. These never die, these vintage air conditioners. So I guess it's my second vintage air conditioner that I just got. I might clean this one too, because it looks nasty as crap. It's sin. Pulls out dust. Ew, it smells like a smoker's home. I can't believe I actually got myself a wall vintage air conditioner. Ugh, God. Damn, man. Damn. God. Oh. Here we go. Here's your filter. I could slide it in for a good reason. All of my compressors have rotaries, but this one, you'll like the sound it makes. Never mind. Talk about that later. Plug it back in. I don't understand why they threw this out. It still works. The other Emerson that does the fan works. The compressor's shot. I can't believe I actually got a vintage air conditioner with this compressor.
What?
Nothing. I am actually amazed. My first reciprocating compressor. I gotta clean this all up. Yes.
That TV?
No. Yeah, it is.
That.
Oh, yeah.
Why do you have like 6? 1, 2, 7. Are these 2?
Yes.
8, 9. That's 9.
Yeah. Here's the GE.
What's a GE?
The
Look
brand.
at the bunnies.
The brand of the air conditioner. This is a 6,400 BTU General Electric. That's it's actually that fun fact about this thing. It actually does this can actually use for something.
What?
Okay.
Air conditioner?
No.
That thing? The gray thing?
We'll start the big one up first. The General Electric 10,000.
Can I ride this?
The cranks are loose, so I don't think so. It's gonna break. I don't want it to.
Oh.
We're gonna start the compressor.
Can I ride this?
Sure. This has a highly rotary compressor.
Is it like an electric one?
No, it's not. Just pedal it.
Then why is there a wire?
That's a bike lock.
A bike one?
Lock.
Oh, yes. So no one steals it at the looking for it.
There we go. Start this thing up. Oh, cool.
This is huge.
Now we'll do the big one. This is 6,400 General Electric.
Oh my god, my leg hurts and it's the leg that I have to put my foot on the scooter. This leg hurts really bad.
How?
I don't know.
You break it?
I think like I pulled a muscle. Because recently, I went like over the couple of weeks. Recently, I went. Ooh, now I can watch TikTok while I'm scootering.
Start this one up. The Richie compressor. There's a one. It's so soft. I gotta clean both of these air conditioners because they're nasty. I can't believe this Emerson still works. I don't even know if it's got to come to reciprocate. Alright.
Die, bro.
I'm gonna end the video here.